Look at the snow. Day one from the night before. I've just seen a lot of digging of snow to make camp. It's absolutely beautiful. Obviously I'm doing a voiceover because Numpty here forgot to bring his field mic. That's the reason why I'm recording this right now. The minute us lads knew that the snow had hit the Peak District, we had to get ourselves out here. We just had to. And it's moments like this when you're with your lads that you really do start to enjoy what life has to offer. Especially if you're working all week. This place here is called Ludge Church, and what an amazing find. You can really start to understand why this place was used by the past settlers for a bit of safety, perhaps a bit warmth, getting fires started.
I think I need to scramble. What's that?
It just looks absolutely epic. Got a bit hot here, so I had to take my hat off. We lost Del. So this footage was sent to me from Mike.
Come on, Jammer.
The wild man.
Just commit. Just go for it.
He had actually done.
You got spare shoes, ain't you? You got spare shoes, ain't you?
And he fell straight into a puddle. But I
That'd
saw
be right,
that he had his phone out, so I knew he was trying to catch me. Not today, son. Not today.
Yeah, well done.
Bit hot. I'm doing my coat. It's too hot. Been up to a place called Ludge Church. It was nice. Didn't manage to get any pictures there. It's alright taking pictures on your phone, but not really getting all the camera kit out, which I've got on my backpack. But yeah, it's alright. Easy. Cheers, mates. So there's a wedding reception going on and Mike decides to dance. Yeah, so we lied about camping. It was a bit cold. We found this spot instead. The lads did camp in their van. Me and Ed, we stayed in this. And just like that, the snow had all melted. Look at that rock up there. The locals say it's where to do bouldering. So this place here is a place the lads were discussing of taking me to, because I didn't manage to get the photos that I wanted. I did try to record a few things, but my camera tripod where I record my videos. Watch this. This is weird. I think he would tell me. Good old Del.
Let's leave him to it.
So yeah, basically I was unable to record myself due to the wind howling down and just knocking the tripod over. So the lads decided we've got to get Jermaine down somewhere, and they've chose this location, and it's absolutely spectacular.
It's snowing there.
Yeah, there is snow in there.
It's cold there.
Two explorers exploring the explorable. Storm bird.
The wind is howling. Just thinking, my mind there, all I'm thinking about is Sunday roast, big fat Yorkshire puddings, dripped in gravy, onions. Oh, just the thought of it. Because it was cold. Sketchy as though that pathway there was really dangerous due to the storm, well, the snowstorm that the had melted, and you can imagine it was very boggy and quite near a very fast running river. And this is the place the boys wanted to bring me to. I believe it's called Three Shires Head. And in a moment I'll be down there on them rocks taking in some glorious pictures. Just absolutely beautifully stunning. The wind, the rain, we are just happy that we done it, but we are so cold right now and was desperate need for a nice hot cup of tea, which we did get when we got back to the van due to Pete and his lovely kettle. Anyway, please do enjoy the images that are about to come onto your screen right now. And they show what weekend we had.